we previously imported paper honeycombs from China. When they arrived in the USA, they were a total loss due to water damage. Is that eligible for duty drawback?
Yes, rejected merchandise drawback. Alternatively, there's a regulation, I think 58, where if you don't want to file drawback, you can file a protest claiming that the importation had no commercial value and ask for a refund that way. So you should be able to file a claim to get the duty you paid back. I know there's an anti-dumping order on honey from China. I don't know if that particular product is covered. If so, the protest might be a better route because you can't recover anti-dumping duties via drawback. But again, it depends on the facts.
Right.